Hey, Leann Forst here, and today I want to talk to you about non-toxic cleaning. Now, this is a subject near and dear to my heart because if you've been following me at all, you know that my story started when my son was very little, and he was between 2 and 3 years old, and he was diagnosed with chronic asthma. And he was sick every 3 weeks with wheezing and asthma attacks, and it was very difficult. Come to find out, though, after conventional side of medicine just wanted to give him more medication and more medication, that after digging into our home lifestyle, the products that we were using, the foods that we were eating, that we realized that the things that were in our house were not only exasperating his asthma, but even causing it. And so once we went through our house and completely removed as many chemicals from our cleaning products, personal care products, and so forth, his asthma disappeared within 3 months. So he was off all medications. Now, at that time, one of the biggest triggers that I uncovered that would exasperate or start his asthma and his wheezing is that nice pine smelling cleaner that everybody was using. And so whenever my house was cleaned, I realized he went into full-blown attack. And so that's when I switched out our cleaning products and found this one, which I have fallen in love with, and it's doTERRA's On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. Now, I love this for so many reasons because not only does it smell amazing, but it's plant-based. It's not chemical-based. And so it is plant-based, it's natural, and it's healthier, wholesome, and it's a cleaner product. And not only that, but you use very little of it to do the job. And so this has many, many purposes. So for instance, just as a multi-purpose cleaner, you could just put 2 tablespoons in 24 ounces of water. So I use these spray bottles that I get on Amazon, and just 2 tablespoons, mix it up and spray all surfaces. Now you want to avoid natural stone and hardwood floors, but it's actually got antiviral, antibacterial properties to clean your other surfaces in your home. So for those bigger jobs like the bathroom, toilets, sinks, tubs, even shower, you could use 3 tablespoons, just a little bit more, and still have a shower spray bottle and keep it in your bathroom for those tough jobs. And so it also helps to clean dishes. So all you have to do is add 2 tablespoons of it to about a gallon of water, and you have a natural dish soap. So you don't have to buy all these different products to clean your home. So this one does a lot of different jobs, and it's all in one bottle. So that's what I love about it. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and make sure to check out below this video for your free ebook. And also reach out to me if you wanted to get started with cleaner, wholesome, healthier, essential oil-based products for your home. Thanks.